That video I want to make from very long time.
Previously on Learn Proper Switch Kicks with Satir Kickboxing.
Good job. Oh-wee. Oh-wee. Hop, 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 hop. Boom, boom, boom. Shoop, boom. Nice Thai block. Try Thai block. Strong Thai block. I punch, boom, boom, boom. Boom. Nice Thai block. Good. Boom, boom. 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 Hop. Boom. Nice. Boom. 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 Hop. Boom. Oh, nice. Good. I want to look realistic. Hop. Boom. Hop. Hop. Boom. Boom. Hop. Boom. Hop. Wee. Pop. Pop. Hop. Pop. Oh, nice. That's it. Hop. Boom. Hop. Hop. Boom. Oh wee. Oh wee. Missing that video I want to make from very long time. The Muay Thai gyms, when you turn into switch kick, when you turn into left kick, they always switch kick. And you're missing guys in a very good technique. Yes, switch kick is more powerful, but the kick that knocks you out is the one that's gonna surprise you. Hey, not ready to brace. And it's that one, that's how you do it. When you throw, you kind of switch on the spot, you step, focus on your balance. So I kick with the left, but I focus on my right leg. If I have good balance, I can kick strong with the left. And that's how I do it. You step with the right leg, you step with the right leg, and from here, this hand drop balance, the right hand turn my body, and I use a lot of hip momentum. Boom. It's very nice. When people stay here, with the elbows a little bit up, when you switch, they know the kick is coming. From here, I can just throw, and from nowhere, pop, throw to the liver. Easy, you can catch them. If you throw jab cross, boom, straight to the liver. Start practicing kick from the spot. It's easy. It's almost like switch on the spot. Step, put that balance. Make sure the leg is fully straight. You have good balance, and that's how your kick is going to be strong too. Eight switch kicks, guys. I promised to my friend, a Chinese fighter, we're gonna do 8 lucky Chinese number, also the infinity sign. Make sure you remember this. Martial arts has unlimited, and if someone tell you that's the best way to do it, maybe they're not very well understand martial arts, because we always can create martial arts, always develop. Sometimes you go back to old school. So keep watching my old school stuff as well. I'm gonna keep showing you how to move properly. And if you like my content, please subscribe to my channel. Give it a like, hit the bell button so you get notification when I post a new video. Thank you very much, Darcy.
Thank you.
Boom.